Saturday, May 11th, the American Red Cross team of Western and Southwestern Colorado teamed up with volunteers, including a youth group from the AmeriCorps NCCC, and in conjunction with the Cortez Fire Protection District for the Sound the Alarm program. They made their way from the fire station down to 7th Street by Mesa School, and from there, teams went out to knock on doors to see if they could install free smoke alarms and to familiarize families with an escape plan for their home. After a great morning, they were able to install 136 smoke alarms in homes in Cortez.
American Red Cross, sound the alarm program. American Red Cross, we want to install some free smoke alarms in your property, sir. Sir, they're free. This is a campaign with the American Red Cross. Sound the alarm campaign. Yep. You can have up to 3, sir, wherever you would like them, but we prefer to put them in. All right. Thank you. All right, sir. We usually try to put one in a bedroom, or at least in the hallway to the bedrooms.
Okay.
So, how many bedrooms do you have?
3.
3 bedrooms, okay. We can put a smoke alarm in each one of those bedrooms.
Okay. We can do that.
These smoke alarms are good for 10 years. We recommend that you test them every month. There's a button on here that allows you to just press it to test and make sure it's working. If you hear it go beep, 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 beep sometime and you haven't been testing it, that indicates it might be going bad, so you'll need to test it and see if it's still working.
Okay.
If not, what you'll need to do then is replace it. But it is good for 10 years and you do not need to replace any batteries at all.
Okay.
There's also a button on here called push to hush. So if by some chance you are you're cooking, or somebody maybe you have a heater going on, something that might cause the smoke alarm to go off, that what we call a nuisance alarm.
Nuisance alarm.
A nuisance alarm. Yeah, if you get a nuisance alarm, there's a button